Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television with the serial number TC-40D400 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you're going to want to do this either for troubleshooting because the TV is not working or not responding or it's lagging or glitching, having sound issues, not connecting, etc. Or because you're just trying to set this TV up as a new TV. Now, this specific TV does not have a reset option via the physical buttons. We have to do this via the menu. So we're going to go with the TV on, we're going to select the menu on the remote, and then from there we're going to select Setup, and then press OK. So we'll see this screen here, we'll select Setup, and then select OK. From there we'll get to this Reset to Defaults option. We can just scroll over to this Reset to Defaults option, and then again hit OK. From there, we're just going to open up this little confirmation screen that we'll need to put in the password. And if you've never set the password, it will be 1234. And then you'll just click OK. We'll get this confirmation screen. We'll confirm it and it will reset. Give it a couple minutes to do its reset and you can set it up as a new TV.